Hello, this is lecture 14, 6th sem, Maths 1. Unit 1, differential equations. Differential equations by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. So in lecture 13, we discussed about the total differential equations and the condition for the integrability of a differential equation. So let us see the methods of solving the total differential equations. Methods of solving total differential equations. Total differential equations. Right. So method 1. Equations pdx plus qdy plus rdz is equal to 0. So method 1. Method 1, by inspection. We have these methods also there in the 4th sem differential equations. So method 2, one variable as constant. Next, method 3. For homogeneous equations. Next, method 4. Method of auxiliary equations. So generally we have the problems in method 1, it is bisection. So let us discuss the method 1, that is bisection by inspection, in detail. Method 1, by inspection. It is solution by inspection. Given dE pdx plus qdy plus rdz is equal to 0. If the condition of integrability, condition of integrability, if the condition of integrability, that is the theorem we discussed, is satisfied, then sometimes by rearranging the terms, comma, the given equation becomes, if the condition of integrability, that is theorem, is satisfied, then sometimes by rearranging the terms, the given equation becomes exact, then integrating, because it is to be exact, then simply integrating it, comma, the solution can be obtained, directly. So for this, let us remember a few exact differentials. For this, let us remember some exact differentials to find out the solution easily. So first one, x dy plus y dx is equal to d of xy. So wherever this term is to be like this, we can write that d of xy. It can be easily integrated. Simply d will be cancelled. The answer will be xy only. So similarly, yz dx plus zx dy plus xy dz is equal to d of xyz. Next, third one, x dy minus y dx whole divided by x square is equal to d of y by x, comma, y dx minus x dy divided by y square is equal to d of x by y. Next, fourth one, dx plus dy is equal to d of x plus y, comma, d of x plus y divided by x plus y is equal to log of x plus y. Then we integrate. Next, fifth one, x dx plus y dy divided by x square plus y square is equal to 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square. Next, sixth one, d of f of x comma y comma z divided by f of x comma y comma z is equal to, denominator differentiation is in numerator. Suppose log of f of x comma y comma z, that we discussed even here as also. Denominator differentiation is in numerator, its integration will be log of x plus y. Next, seventh one, x dx plus y dy plus z dz whole divided by x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square plus z square. Problems. Solution by inspection method. Solution by inspection. Solution by inspection. There is method 1. So first problem. Verify the condition of integrability. Verify the condition of integrability and solve x dx plus z dy plus y plus 2z of dz is equal to 0. So solution: given x dx plus z dy plus y plus 2z of dz is equal to 0. Take this as equation 1. So compare this equation with, it is of the form p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0. Implies p is equal to x, q is equal to z, r is equal to y plus 2z. Right. Condition of integrability. First we can verify the condition of integrability. If this condition is satisfied, then the given differential equation is to be integrable. That equation can be easily solved. So p into dou q by dou z minus dou r by dou y plus q into qr rp. It is dou r by dou x minus dou p by dou z plus r into dou p by dou y minus dou q by dou x is equal to 0. Implies, so previously p is x into, that is simply we are writing here even p is equal to x, q is equal to z, r is equal to y plus 2z. So that p into means x into dou q by dou z, it is 1, minus dou r by dou y is also 1, plus q means z into dou r by dou x is dou r by dou x. There is no x is 0, minus dou p by dou z is also 0, plus r means y plus 2z into dou p by dou y. There is no y here, so that it is 0, minus dou q by dou x, this is also 0, is equal to 0. Implies 0 is equal to 0. So condition of integrability is satisfied. Therefore condition of integrability is satisfied. So that one is integrable. One is integrable. Now the solution. So 1 implies x dx plus y dy plus x dx plus z dy plus given equation. Y plus 2z of dz is equal to 0. This implies x dx plus this is z dy plus y dz plus 2z dz is equal to 0. We are regrouping the terms. This is x dx plus d of yz plus 2z dz is equal to 0. So integrating integral x dx plus integral d of yz plus integral 2z dz is equal to some constant c1 implies x square by 2 plus xy plus z square is equal to c1. This implies x square plus 2xy plus 2z square is equal to c, since 2c1 is equal to c, which is the required solution of 1. See that first of all we can verify the condition of integrability as the given differential equation is satisfied, so that it can be integrable. That means it can be easy to integrate. So by regrouping the terms in inspection method, generally what it is, rearranging the terms so that the differentials will get, that we can easily integrate. So thank you very much. Few more problems basing on this we will do in the next lecture. Thank you.